Welcome to the Tech Boom channel. Subscribe to my channel if you like. Today iPad Pro 11-inch unboxing. Talk about some of the biggest differences with 10.5 for your reference. 1. The screen is big, but because the 11-inch frame is still quite present, the big screen is really cool. 2. The speakers are particularly good! Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. When playing songs outside, they can be compared to external speakers. This is a personally unexpected improvement. 3. Apple Pencil 2 is better. The first generation personally felt that the pen end was a bit heavy, and sometimes it was unstable. But the second generation basically fit very well. The surface material was changed, and the writing was more stable. I bought an iPad 2018 with a generation of Apple Pencil for my mom before, and I don't think there is much difference in using it. It is recommended that if you have already started with iPad 2018 or iPad Pro 10.5, you don't need to consider changing it. After all, it is quite expensive. If you do and have an iPad on hand, you are advised to choose according to your financial ability. You don't need to blindly pursue the most expensive. And the iPad's basic functions in the implementation stage are not different. The Apple clerk also told me that using A10 and A12X doesn't make much difference. iPad Pro is really expensive. If you buy and watch videos and play games, you can choose other versions of iPad. If you can use this to create greater value or make money or improve your own efficiency, it is worth the 10,000 yuan of. Thank you for watching this program. Subscribe and like it if you like. Thank you.